Welcome back to another segment of the DLA in the News. DLA leaders outline agency's role in DoD additive manufacturing capabilities. February 15, 2023. Article written by Beth Reese. Fort Belvoir, Virginia. The Defense Logistics Agency is working to develop common technology, standards and processes for additive manufacturing that will enable the military services to share data and increase readiness while saving money, an agency leader said, during the 7th Annual Military Additive Manufacturing Summit in Tampa, Florida, February 1 through the 2nd. Our research and development efforts are enabling digital transformation across the Defense Department, facilitating critical collaboration with our partners, and will ensure DLA is poised to be a force enabler for AM across DoD, said Patrick Kelleher, Executive Director of Operations and Sustainment for DLA Logistics Operations.
Student clients, hopefully you're enjoying this particular article as it talks a little bit about the manufacturing base as it relates to the DLA and the Department of Defense. And in this article, they're referencing additive manufacturing with the Department of Defense. And there's a great website that I was able to research and it's called, Department of Defense Manufacturing Technology Program, as referenced in today's article. When you get to this particular website, it seems, matter of fact, this is the first time I've ever been to this website. And looks like there's a wealth of information as it relates to manufacturing technology programs that the Department of Defense has. They reference the ManTech program in the article, as well as some other nuggets of information, especially if your company is a small business, medium-sized, or large business that's in the manufacturing sector, and you have all the certifications, and you're more or less looking for opportunities to do CNC milling and manufacturing of parts, especially 3D modeling. That's kind of a new industry within the United States, and the Department of Defense is very, very interested in that. So great website. I'll be sure to put the link to this website in the description below for you to grab and log on here, as well as I did a quick search on the site and found the joint additive manufacturing working group that's also referenced in today's article. And not to get into too much detail about it because I'm still kind of learning myself, but I uncovered an email address that you see on screen that I also put in the description below that may prove of some value to your organization, to shoot them an email to learn more about how the Department of Defense and the DLA are working together as it relates to 3D modeling and coming up with parts obsolescence programs to assist the warfighter in making spare parts that keep our borders safe. And so as you scroll down here, there doesn't seem to be a whole lot more information here to support my reaction, but I also put the link to this website in the description below that you can feel free to take a look at your leisure. And that probably is the end of my reaction to today's article. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch back over and complete the article. And thanks again for watching.
The summit is run by the Defense Strategies Institute for Defense Agencies and Industry Partners, and focused this year on developing and integrating AM solutions that revolutionize the U.S. industrial base and give warfighters flexibility. DLA's four-pronged role in AM was formally defined in June 2021 through DoD Instruction 5000.93. It includes defining processes to integrate AM into the supply chain and setting standards for safely handling and distributing raw materials. The agency's second focus area is developing processes for sharing supplier-generated technical data across the department, and documenting and maintaining a list of sources that have successfully delivered AM parts and raw materials. Developing a DoD framework for sharing common technical data requirements and acceptance criteria is the third part of DLA's AM efforts, followed by the responsibility to integrate AM into the department's IT architecture. DLA's role is more clearly defined than ever, and that's to be a facilitator and enabler of service-driven AM capabilities, Kelleher said. We're focused on eventually procuring AM items designated for DLA supply support. This is only going to be possible with strong collaboration and strategic partnerships with the military services. The Joint Additive Manufacturing Model Exchange is a key part of DLA's contribution and lets users download and print 3D models from multiple sources, through a single system. It launched in January 2020 and, the Army is the first service to use it. Kelleher said the best use for JAMEX so far is for interim parts for battle-damaged equipment while users wait for the actual part to be delivered. DLA is excited for JAMEX to continue to provide a full spectrum of support to the warfighter, by reducing readiness risks, decreasing costs by providing a catalog of alternate sources for hard-to-procure and obsolete parts, and improving responsiveness, he added. DLA is also working toward remote inspection for additively manufactured parts. Conventional inspections can take over 100 steps, but remote inspections typically take about 10, Kelleher said, adding that the benefits of remote inspection are significant. It allows for real-time feedback from various experts, which improves inspection quality and speed. It reduces contract lead time and travel costs, and increases material availability, he continued. The DoD Manufacturing Technology Program gives DLA yet another way to develop and support advanced manufacturing technologies to lower costs for production, as well as repair and maintenance. The agency's R&D team recently partnered with the Army, academia and industry, through Mantech to use AM to address supply shortages due to an issue in manufacturing quality of a fuel elbow for the UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter. This initiative showcases DLA's ability to partner with the military services to design, build and test additive manufacturing parts, to strengthen the defense supply chain, Kelleher said. DLA Aviation Commander Air Force Brigadier General, Sean Tyler, said during a panel discussion at the summit that the ability to download validated 3D designs and print parts anywhere in the world is a game changer for military logistics because it can make legacy weapons systems easier to maintain. Rather than having to continue to produce and store parts for potential obsolescence, we can store digital plans and manufacture true just-in-time, on-the-spot parts and equipment, he said. Tyler stressed that expanding AM throughout DoD requires alignment and commitment from stakeholders ranging from program offices and academia to engineers. This now concludes another edition of the NMS e-learning systems, the DLA in the news. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so that you can always be abreast of new audio narration segment releases, brought to you by the DLA Guru. Thanks again for watching. I'm Parker Winslow, signing out.
Thanks for watching. Also, if you find my related content inspiring, please show your support by hitting the like, share, and subscribe button, along with the notification bell, so that you can be alerted when I drop new relevant content to empower you for success with the DLA. Also, by doing so, you'll help me reach a larger audience of people who may be also interested in learning more about government contracting and doing business specifically with the world's largest customer, the Defense Logistics Agency. Also, please don't forget to check out my flagship MasterClass, 8 Steps to Successful Federal Supply Contract Bid Submissions to the DLA. This MasterClass provides a balanced approach to virtual education and is designed for both beginners and seasoned companies alike, with proven techniques on the best way to position your organization to being successful with winning federal supply contracts with the DLA. The Masterclass contains 3.5 hours worth of content, along with proprietary and recommended software tools designed to empower you for success with the DLA. Check out the links provided in the description below to learn more today.